it's Morgan and I am back with another video. This time it's I wear Ariana Grande's hair for a day, and I didn't want to do her signature ponytail because I was like, you know what, it's not gonna get any reactions other than the fact that it's just like really heavy. But I wanted to do something different, and she's been wearing gray wigs since the Focus music video, which I think came out like 2015, 2016, and she's been recently wearing the gray wig a lot, especially all of last year. So I was like, you know what, let me do the gray wig thing. So I did the space buns at the top, just had the hair down, and recreated an Ariana Grande look with gray hair, and I wore it out for a day. Let me try a gray wig, let me go out in public, let's see what people's reactions are, and yeah, let's see how the day goes with wearing this gray wig. Also, this wig is like synthetic. I'll have the wig linked in the description down below. So it's like, this one's really heavy. I'm not like used to such a thick wig, but this is thick. Like, this is a thick wig. And if you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up, home skillet biscuit? My name is Morgan and you should totally subscribe. Be part of this and bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And I am Summer Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And let's get started with the video. Hey! Okay, guys, I'm going to be wearing my Ariana Grande wig tomorrow for a day, and I'm gonna see how people react and just live my life and see if my life is the same or different because of this gray wig. Yeah. Let's do the thing. Okay, so I'm getting ready to put on this wig. I just brushed it out, trimmed it a little bit. It's very thick. Put 2 space buttons at the top and kind of like frame the face. And yeah, now I'm about to put this wig on and then do a makeup look like Ariana Grande and then go out. Okay guys, so this is my OOTD. I got this top from Victoria's Secret pink, and then these jeans from Shein. And I know she wears like heels, but I wasn't in the mood to wear heels, so I wore my Adidas. And then I have my hair and cute little space buns. And I went in for like a super natural look, makeup look that she did, so I can get my Ariana Grande on. Okay, we'll go outside for this. I want to see how it looks outside. Okay, so I'm currently in my backyard right now. Got my space buns. Oh my gosh, it actually looks really good in this lighting. The space buns, the gray hair. I'm actually really feeling this look right now. Like the space buns especially. Like, I just think it looks so cute. So I'm going to go send a picture to my boyfriend right now and see how he thinks about my new look. So I'm going to send him a picture. I'm going to ask a couple of my friends, and then I'm going to post a picture on Instagram with a poll trying to say, like, you know, silver hair / gray hair, or go back to black hair. Like, we're gonna see if like people like this hair look more or just my regular black hair. And yeah, we're gonna see how that works. The only thing that I don't like about this wig is that it keeps getting like stuck onto my face and it gets a little tangly, but it's a synthetic hair, so I'm like not mad at it either. Ugh, see? Ugh, you hear that? But yeah, I'm totally like feeling this a lot. Like a lot. So now I'm gonna go take a picture and send it to my boyfriend, and I'll tell you guys what he said. I texted my boyfriend and he replied back. I sent him this picture, which I'll post right here, and he said, "Nice filter, where's my girlfriend? JK, very pretty." And I was like, okay, see you. You know, I don't like the "where's my girlfriend" part. I still thought it was funny. But he likes it. I like it. It's lit all day, every day. And I posted the picture, the same picture I sent him, on my Insta story. And I put a poll up to see what people like, if they like want me to have black hair or if they like the silver hair. So we are going to see. Yes. And now I'm about to go walking about out in the open with this look. It's a look. Down. Oh, down. It's like, hey. Like, hey. Okay. I don't understand why it's taking so long to get over with the next freaking leg. Okay guys, so right now I'm in the mall parking lot, about to go into the mall with this look. hopefully it goes well. I'm going to be on my phone camera, so the quality is not going to be as good, but you know, it's whatever. Walking to the mall, I'm walking through the mall, I go into Forever 21, someone stopped me, they told me like that they loved my hair and they thought it was cute. Then I got a lot of looks. A lot of people were staring at me, which honestly made me so uncomfortable, and I don't know why, but they were just like staring at me. And I think because the color of my hair, it's different, it's not a normal color, so people are just gonna stare at you. So I was like not expecting that, so when I walked in, like a lot of people were like just staring at me. They're like, people were just staring. Like a lot of people did stare at me. I noticed that. I got more attention. More people were staring at me. More people came up to me. They were like, oh my gosh, I like your hair. It's so nice. It's so cute. Spencer's, and someone told me that my hair reminded them of Storm from X-Men. I went into like a few stores in the mall, and it was just like either people stared or people said something, or they just gave me like a nice gesture. But it was more of a, everybody was just like looking at me, like all eyes were on me. Like I felt more noticed with this hair than with like my darker hair. So how I started off today was, first I took a picture after I put on my wig, and I did the I tried to do a similar makeup look to the picture that I was like kind of recreating, which is this picture right here. And so I also posted the picture on my Insta story, which you guys should totally follow me on Instagram at IamSiblingMorgan. You should totally do that. Anyways, I put it on my Insta story, and I put a poll up to see if people liked my silver hair or if they liked my black hair. And at the very moment, 71% want the silver hair, 29% want the black hair, meaning 57 people voted for silver and 23 voted for black. So honestly, this was a really poppin' picture, by the way. Like, I really like this picture. And so I was like, yes, all for it, living for it. The mall was the only place I felt like I got stared at a lot. And there wasn't even a lot of people at the mall because it was a, what, Tuesday? So I was like, it just was really weird. So then I went to Marshall's. No, did I go to Marshall's? Yeah, I went to Marshall's. And honestly, like, no one cared. No one really cared. It was like, it's just, no one cared. I got compliments when I was in Target, and that was like fun. But besides that, Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, I got comments for like my hair. So like people were just commenting on my hair and coming up to me about my hair, which people also come up to me about my outfit. So it's kind of like what. But if you have a poppin' outfit, a lot of people are gonna look at you. If you have a poppin' hair, people are gonna come up and look at you and talk to you. So it's what. So my hair is like my accessory, so I can wear a plain outfit and then this hair, and then it just be like, oh my god, yes. So that being said, after this whole experiment of wearing this hair for a day, honestly I would wear it again, and I honestly wear my hair just like this because I thought this was so cute. I love taking pictures in it. I have to get used to just wearing different hair color other than the regular normal, and honestly it's boring being normal. So like, it's fun to do interesting things and not do the same thing over and over again. So having dark hair is like cool, but at the same time, like, it's fun to try something new. And doing this gray wig and going out in public and stuff, that was definitely something new, and I really did enjoy the compliments I got in the gray hair, so, or silver hair, I can never tell. But I really enjoyed it, and so that was like the plus about it. The only thing I'd say is just that you get more stares than usual. And that is how my day went, having my hair like Ariana Grande's. But no one knew that I was like, my hair was like Ariana Grande's though. That was the only thing. But I think it's because like her signature hairstyle is the long ponytail. But I also think like this is one of her signature hairstyles that she's kind of evolving into right now. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this Bam Bam. Also, today's post notification shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for turning on your post notifications, and thank you for being part of this Bam Bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at IamSiblingMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and I'll see you guys in my next video. A big shout out skillet a biscuit. This is the part when I break free.